Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at Urban Legends Abomination Pack for Zombicide 2nd Edition. This has 4 Abomination miniatures. This is of course put out by Cool Mini or Not. And as always, you do need the core box to make the most out of this set. So we're going to see 4 miniatures and 4 Abomination cards. It's got a little picture of the 2nd Edition box set in there. So the art's not bad. Let's open this up and see what it looks like without the cellophane on, so it's not reflecting constantly from the overhead. Alright. Box art's good. And it's the same on the other side. Say it's boring. So, let's see what we've got here. Oh, there's our cards. There's that. Alright, unlike usual, these are not cellophane, they're just little sleeves. So these could get jostled around pretty good in here. That's a little corner cutting if you ask me. But minor complaint. Let's take a look at the minis and see how they look. Alright, so start with our alien here. This is number 139 on the bottom. Pretty cool looking gray alien. They didn't go with a Nordic or a reptilian, they went with a gray. But cool sculpt nonetheless. Let's check out our chupacabra looking bad boy here. The little spines are a nice touch. This is miniature number 142. I'd of course check the spines to make sure they're intact if you pick this up used. But yeah, nice looking sculpt. Now our sewer gator. He's got a bunch of junk stuck to him. This is number 144. Really nice looking mini. It's big too. These are not small miniatures. Then we've got our evil clown abomination. And this one is number 143. Yeah, the minis look good. Let's take a look at the cards. Okay, the cards just have a sleeve on them. Like I said, that seems like corner cutting, but they probably couldn't wrap these very well without damaging the cards when you open them up. So, kind of a trade-off there. Yeah. Alright, there's only 4. These are Abomination cards, so they do have a different backing. So first up we've got our sewer crocodile. Then we've got our killer clown. Chupacabra. And the abductor. So the chupacabra one looks like the easiest one to fight. You just can't take it out in a dark zone. The abductor's got a lot of rules here. And it basically makes you lose a turn, and that kind of sucks. But yeah, These look like pretty tough abominations, or at least nice change of pace, I should say. So the minis are really good, and the cards give them some pretty sketchy abilities, so could be really cool add-ons. Well, these seem like a really good addition to the game because they'll be a nice change of pace. They won't come up very often, but it's a new and interesting set of abominations. So that is the Urban Legends Abomination Pack for Zombicide 2nd Edition from Cool Mini or Not Guillotine Games. I like this set. I think it's got a lot of potential. It'd be really annoying to fight them, but pretty cool addition ideas, at least for something different. So real nice quality minis, really interesting abilities, could be a lot of fun. So we've seen what's in the box, you've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, share the video around on your social media, or you could buy something nice from the Teespring store. Or if you'd like to support me in a different way, you could support me monthly on Patreon, or do a one-time donation via Streamlabs that accepts PayPal. Those links are all in the description. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.